Welcome dear students. Our today's subject is maths. I will teach you measurement. First of all, what is measurement? Measurement means the size, length or amount of something as established by measuring. Unit 11 Measurement. Our topic is comparing length. Student, look at the screen. Pictures are given of some children. Their sizes are different. First one is tall, second one is taller, and third one is tallest. So, we have to compare the length. Next one, you have to find out the tallest building. Yes, which one is tallest? The green one is tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Which tail is shortest? Yeah, the middle one is the shortest tail of cat. So you have to take the middle one. Next, comparing length, long, longer, longest. You have to color the longest strip. Last one strip is longest strip, so color it. Comparing length, thin, thinner, thinnest. You have to color the thinnest balloon. So, middle one balloon is the thinnest balloon. Next way of comparing length, thick, thicker, thickest. You have to circle the thickest jar. So, middle one jar is the thickest jar. Next topic is measuring length. We will read non-standard measuring unit. Let us learn to use different objects such as paper clips, ice cream sticks, toothpicks, safety pins, etc. to measure a length. We have to measure the size of glow stick by using the safety pins. Look at the screen. Here it is given 5 safety pins. The size of glow stick is, using a safety pin is, glow stick is about 5 safety pins long. Do and find the answer. Children, the pencil is how many safety pins long? Yes, 5 safety pins long. Next, the book is how many ice cream sticks long? Correct, 3 ice cream sticks long. Next, the shoes is how many toothpicks long? Yes, count the toothpicks. Correct. 6 toothpicks long. Next, the lunch box is how many paper clips long? Count the paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 4 paper clips long. Sometimes we use our body parts like handspan, footspan, pace, etc. to measure length. कभी कभी हम कुछ चीज़ों को मेजर करने के लिए हैंडस्पैन अपने हाथों का, फुटस्पैन अपने पैर का और पेस मतलब अपने पैरों के कदमों का भी यूज़ करते हैं. Look at the picture. Bat is 3 handspan long. Yeah, children. See, bat is how many handspan long? 3 handspan. उसने अपने उसके 3 hands को measure करके 3 handspan long. Children, look at the picture and we have to solve the exercise. First, the table in the picture is dash handspan wide. So, how many handspan? Table 7 handspan wide. Next, the sofa in the picture is dash footspan wide. Look at the sofa and the girl is counting how many footspan wide? 7 footspan wide. The cabinet in the picture is dash paces wide. That boy is counting the paces. अपने कदमों को count कर रहा है. How many paces? 5 paces wide. Measuring length. We know to estimate length by using different non-standard method. इसके पहले जो हमने हैंड स्पैन, फुट स्पैन, पेस, टूथपिक, सेफ्टी पिन्स, आइसक्रीम स्टिक्स जो मेजरिंग के लिए यूज़ किए थे वो सब नॉन स्टैंडर्ड मेथड थे. बट नाउ वी कैन मेजर एक्यूरेट डिस्टेंस एंड लेंथ इन सेंटीमीटर्स, meters, etc. We use a scale to measure different small distances and to draw small lines. Look at the screen. Here's a picture of scale. This scale is 15 centimeter in length and you have to find out the length of pencil. Yes, the pencil is 10 centimeter long. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं. Measure the following by using the scale and fill in the blanks. The length of pen is how many centimeters long? Count on the scale. Yes, 12 centimeters long. The bar of chocolate is dash centimeters in length. You have to count the chocolate bar. Yes, 14 centimeters in length. We can measure weight either by comparing with the weight of another object or by directly measuring it. हम किसी भी चीज़ को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं उसके वेट से, जैसे कि उसका वेट हैवी या लाइट है या उसका वेट सेम है. कंपेयरिंग वेट विथ हैवी और लाइट और वेट इज सेम. Write H for heavier and L for lighter. Look at the picture. Watermelon is heavier and apple is lighter. Next, book is H heavier and pencil is L for lighter. Next, water bottle is heavier and the box is lighter. Look at the pictures carefully and answer the questions that follows. कुछ ब्लॉक्स दिए हैं और उन ब्लॉक्स से हम बैग की वेट मेजर करेंगे. Look at the first picture. A bag A weighs dash cubes. A वाले बैग को कितने क्यूब्स रखे हुए हैं? Yes, 5 cubes. B. The bag B weighed डैश क्यूब्स. बैग बी को कितने वेट से मेजर किया है? कितने क्यूब से? 4. सी. द बैग सी वेट्स डैश क्यूब्स. हाउ मेनी क्यूब्स? 7 क्यूब्स. डी क्वेश्चन. बैग डैश इज द लाइटेस्ट. विच बैग इज द लाइटेस्ट? सबसे कम क्यूब्स किस बैग में है? बी. B is the lightest bag. Next, bag dash is the heaviest. सबसे ज़्यादा ब्लॉक्स किस बैग के लिए रखे गए हैं? बैग C के लिए. बैग C is the heaviest. Based on the above answers, write A, B and C on the boxes below the bags. You may use the letters more than once. आपने जो ऊपर क्वेश्चंस किए थे बैग्स वाले, उन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंग हम इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स लिखेंगे. Look at the picture. Bag A is heavier than bag B. Here, bag A is lighter than bag C. This is the comparison. We have to learn estimate weight by using different non-standard method. Till now, what we use to measure the weight? अभी तक हमने क्या use किया? Blocks, things for comparing weight. But to weight the accurately, we measure the weight of things in grams and kilograms. Generally, the following weights are used to weight the things. थिंग्स को वेट करने के लिए हम इन चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हैं. 100 ग्राम, 200 ग्राम, 500 ग्राम, 1 kg, 2 kg and 5 kg. Different scale are used to weight things. थिंग्स को वेट करने के लिए इन चीज़ों को हम यूज़ करते हैं. आप जब मार्केट जाते हैं तो आप देखते हैं ना बैलेंस, वेट मशीन. Take the word that tell about the object. Look at the pictures. Mangoes, lighter. You have to answer lighter than 1 kg, about 1 kg or heavier than 1 kg. Look at the picture. Yeah, mango is lighter than 1 kg. Next, book. So give me the answer. Book is lighter than 1 kg, about 1 kg or heavier than 1 kg? Yes, book is about 1 kg. Bitter gourd is lighter than 1 kg, about 1 kg or heavier than 1 kg? Correct answer is heavier than 1 kg. Measuring capacity. Capacity means maximum amount that something that contain is a capacity. Now we can tell which holds more by pouring the liquid into another. See, look at the picture. Which holds more? Yeah, the jar holds more. Which hold less? Yes, the cup hold less. Do and find. Look at the picture. How many cups of tea filled up one kettle? कितने कप मिलकर के एक kettle को भरेंगे? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cup of tea filled up one kettle. Next, glass of water filled up jug. How many glass of waters? कितने glass of waters एक जग को fill करेंगे? Count the glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 glasses मिलके एक जग को fill करेंगे. So answer you will write 5. Next, how many bowl of milk filled up one pan? Count the bowl. Bowls को count करेंगे. 1, 2, 3. 3 bowl of milk filled up one pan. Three mugs can fill one jug. So you have to color the mugs that can fill the jugs. अगर 3 mugs मिलके एक जग भरता है तो 2 jugs को भरने के लिए कितने mugs लगेंगे? Yes, 3 into 2. You have to color 6 mugs. Now you have to fill the 3 jugs. We already know to fill the 1 jug, we will fill 3 mugs. So for filling the 3 jugs, we will color how many mugs? 3 into 3. So we have to color the 9 mugs. We know to estimate capacity of liquid by using different non-standard measures. अभी तक हमने मग से लिक्विड को मेजर किया, but to find the accurate capacity of liquid, we measure them in liters. We use the given hand vessels to measure the liquid. 550 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter, 500 ml and 1 liter. These are we use to measure the liquid. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Solve the problem. An apple is equal to the weight of 6 blocks. Next, you have to count the weight of an orange is equal to the weight of 5 blocks. If you put the apple and orange on one scale together, how many blocks do you need to balance them? The weight of an apple is 6 and 6 blocks, and the weight of orange is 5 blocks. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 blocks. Take the correct answer. Length is measured in meter. Second, weight is measured in gram. Third, liquid is measured in liter. Fourth, milk is measured in liter. Fifth, vegetables are measured in kilogram. Sixth, cloth is measured in meter. Seventh, one of the non-standard method to measure blackboard is hand span. Eighth, 1 meter is same as 100 centimeter. Ninth, which hold more and less shows capacity. 1 kg potatoes is equal to 1 kg apple.